of unity resonated with the residents of Port Kaituma as Minister of Indigenous Peoples Affairs Sidney Alicock called on them to be patriotic and unified to ensure the continued development of the region.
Minister Alicock urged the people of Port Kaituma to work together to develop their community, which was neglected for 23 years under the former administration. During a feature address at the Port Kaituma flag-raising ceremony last evening, he said that the coalition government stands ready to support the vision of the people because it is a government for all of the peoples of Guyana.
This government, the coalition government, has been able, within a short 3.5 years, to work towards bringing people together, bringing Guyanese together. And that is why the coalition is so significant, so important, because we are of different political groups coming together to represent all of Guyana. It is not a one party that only represents a section of people. We represent the entire Guyanese nation.
Minister Alicock took the time to remember those pioneers who would have led the fight that saw Guyana attaining Republican status 49 years ago.
This journey that we have, the Guyana has traveled, is one that has its experience, one that continues to grow into glory, continues to grow towards a green state, through a green economy, to a good life.
Minister Alicock reminded that it was under the coalition government that Port Kaituma received paved roads. The road from Port Kaituma to Matthews Ridge was also upgraded, making easier access between the two communities, among other improvements. The audience enjoyed cultural pieces, including dance, songs, and poems by youths from Central Port Kaituma, 4 Miles, Citrus Grove, and Orinoc, as well as students from the Port Kaituma Primary and Secondary School and the dormitory. Seneca Thorne, InfoHub.